Leave me alone, baby. You're my baby. You're my baby, and I love you so much.
I was there, and you were my baby. It started when we were younger. You were my boo.
Hi, cutie pie muffin. Are you a baby kitty? Oh, how cute.
Coming at me, I wonder who throws it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit.
One, two, three. ناري ناري حبك أبد ما طفى.
How the fuck is you light skinned and your girl light skinned, but she had a black baby? You are not the father.
Back, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, and this one is for the champions. I ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the end, yo. Then I went it in again, yo.
How my cat reacted when she overheard me having sex.
Yeah, I'm.
I'm currently on the kitchen floor with him because he just looks so cute. And I wanted to highlight how freaking small he is. You know, he's very dense and chonk, but he's a very small boy. Like, look at him. Look at him.
Back when we were still changing for the better, one thing was enough. For me, it was enough to live for the hope of it all. Cancel plans just in case you call.
So, we're having breakfast together. I made him one little scrambled egg, and I'm having myself some Kodiak protein pancakes with maple syrup, and yeah. This is our morning together. Is it yummy?
Who are you?
Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.